Hello and welcome. My name is Rex Anna. Today, we're diving into some of the biggest myths about financial freedom. We'll explore the truths behind these misconceptions and help you make informed financial decisions. Financial freedom is a goal many strive for, but there are numerous myths that can mislead you. In this video, we'll debunk these myths and provide you with the knowledge you need to achieve true financial independence. So, let's get started. One of the most common misconceptions is that you need a high income to achieve financial freedom, but that's not necessarily true. Financial success is more about how you manage your money, invest wisely, and make informed decisions than just earning a large paycheck. By debunking these myths, we hope to empower you to take control of your financial future. Remember, it's about creating a sustainable plan that works for you, regardless of your income level. With the right mindset and tools, anyone can work towards financial freedom. Another myth is that financial freedom means never working again. While it might mean you have the option to retire early, it doesn't always mean you stop working entirely. Many people find fulfillment in continuing to work, but on their own terms. Financial freedom gives you the flexibility to choose how you spend your time, whether that's working, traveling, or pursuing hobbies. It's about having the freedom to choose meaningful activities that bring joy and purpose to your life. Whether it's spending more time with loved ones, learning new skills, or even starting a new career, financial freedom opens up a world of possibilities. So while you might not need to work for money, you can still engage in work that enriches your life and aligns with your passions. And finally, there's the belief that you have to be completely debt-free to be financially free. While reducing debt is important, it's not the sole indicator of financial freedom. It's about having a plan, managing your finances effectively, and making smart investments. Financial freedom is more about having control over your finances than just eliminating debt. You can still have some debt and be financially free if you have a solid strategy in place. The key is to ensure that your debt is manageable and doesn't hinder your financial goals. So focus on creating a balanced financial plan that includes debt management, savings, and investments. Remember, financial freedom is about making informed decisions and having the flexibility to live life on your terms. Financial freedom is achievable for everyone, not just the wealthy. Start planning today. Saving money is crucial, but investing is equally important. The allure of quick financial freedom. It's a dream many chase, but let's be real for a moment. True financial freedom isn't something that happens overnight. It requires careful planning, disciplined saving, and yes, time. The idea that you can achieve it quickly is, more often than not, a myth. So if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, you might want to think twice. Sustainable financial freedom is built on a solid foundation, not on fleeting shortcuts. Educating yourself about finances and making informed decisions is key. Setting realistic goals and working towards them consistently will get you there. Celebrate the small victories along the way, as they are stepping stones to your ultimate goal. Diversifying your investments and seeking professional advice can also help you stay on track. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a sprint. Stay patient and stay focused. It's often said that having a family makes financial freedom impossible. But that's not true. Financial freedom is about making smart choices and planning, no matter your family size. In fact, involving your family in financial decisions can lead to better outcomes and teach valuable lessons to your children. Some people believe you have to sacrifice all enjoyment to achieve financial freedom. Well, that's just not the case. It's about balance and making sure your financial goals align with your personal happiness. You can still enjoy life while being financially responsible. It's all about making smart choices and planning ahead. Financial freedom doesn't mean giving up on the things you love. It means finding a way to enjoy them responsibly. The myth here is that a strict budget is the only way to financial freedom. In reality, flexibility and understanding your spending habits can be just as effective. It's more about being mindful rather than restrictive. You don't have to cut out all the things you enjoy. Instead, focus on making conscious choices and prioritizing your spending. This approach can lead to a more sustainable and enjoyable path to financial freedom. Remember, it's about balance and awareness, not just strict rules. So there you have it. Financial freedom is not about rigid rules or sacrificing what you love. It's about smart planning, balance, and making informed choices. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Take small steps, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. With dedication and the right mindset, achieving financial freedom is within your reach. Keep learning, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey.